Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft video signing in, and I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful looks of and very beautiful ideas of sewing craft ideas. These are super amazing and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. I hope so viewers, you all are doing well. These are super incredible and very beautiful sewing ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. These are very beautiful handmade sewing ideas for you guys. Hope so viewers, you enjoyed this video. If you want different other craft videos, then guys you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And you guys also watch different other videos on my channel about different craft work. Keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are super trending and these are very amazing and incredible ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. Hope so viewers, you like this video. You guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. I am glad to see you all guys. Always take care. Keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. And these are super incredible and very beautiful collection for you guys. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.